folks, welcome to another Mauihowey video. Today we're doing a Keaw can cook video. She's going to go ahead and take a few minutes and make some Thai green curry spicy basil soup. So stick around and we'll go ahead and show you how she makes it, and you'll get a look at it plated at the end. So today we're making Thai green curry. Got some coconut milk in the wok already. She's heating up. She'll be adding more stuff to it here in a bit. Green curry paste that will be added to the mixture real soon to make her Thai green curry.
Curry.
All right, adding the green curry paste to the coconut milk. Now this is more authentic green curry paste. We went to a specific Thai store here in the US. So this will be a little bit spicier than the regular stuff that she made before. Alright, she's cutting up Thai chili. This is very spicy. It's going to go in with the green curry. Be adding that
Make
a little
spicy
bit.
a little bit.
Alright, now she's going to add in the Thai chilies. Chilies with the coconut and the green curry paste. And now coming chicken. Just adding chicken to it. It'll all be cooking up. So it's basically 2 chicken breasts that were cut up into chunks. Alright, so she's going to add, you can read it yourself, pork flavored seasoning powder. She's going to add that to the mixture now. Not a lot, just a little bit. Give it a little bit of flavor. Okay, we just added the pork flavor, and now this is fish sauce. Fish sauce, soy sauce. Adding that to it just a little bit. The soy sauce type. Alright, now she's adding, the last one was soy, this is fish. Fish sauce, just a bit. Just to improve the taste a little bit. A little bit more coconut. Basically finished off the 1 container of coconut milk. And then a little bit of water. Not a lot, just a little bit. Finish cooking it down in her wok. She's washing up. This is Thai basil, or what do you call it?
Basil. Oh, horapa.
Horapa. Thai basil. Already soaking it, washing it, getting it clean. This will get added to the mixture also. Okay, she's putting 1 teaspoon of sugar in. That's all the sugar she's going to put on. 1 teaspoon.
Okay, right now.
Now adding the basil, the Thai basil. Okay, so here's Keaw with her green curry chicken. It's all plated up, looks delicious, and hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back with some more videos real soon. This was Keaw Can Cook, and she made green curry chicken today.